YouTubers. Today we are working on the kitty cat. The one in the 3/4 kitty video. I've been removing and unhooking some things and failed to film any of that, but undid the exhaust, fuel lines, battery cables, radiator stuff, took the starter off, alternator, took the front cover plastic shield off, undid the motor mount down in the bottom, took the starter off. Now we can get a very good view of the hole. The crankshaft does appear to be scarred up a little bit. One of the studs on the rod broke, and on the far side it appears that the round part broke. I removed the remote oil filter. I'm using that bracket as a tie point for lifting. I was going to unhook the hydro pump and the remaining pumps and slide that back, but the way this flywheel housing appears, I decided to leave the pumps mounted to that because the feet come down into the motor mounts, and that will hopefully support them pumps without causing too many issues. I have my fancy leveler on that I built years ago. It's set up for pulling V8 engines with 2 chains. I drop it down into the heads, but I basically put a cross bolt in on that lifting eye. And as I mentioned before, I'm using this mounting bracket for the remote filter as a lifting point. Hopefully there's enough clearance for everything to come out. I'm hoping I don't have to pull the radiator out, because that's just more work. But if I have to, I have to. Guess we'll see what happens. I gotta find a place to put you guys down, so in case things go awry, we have it all documented. So I have one more bolt to pull off, and as far as I know, we're free and clear. This was balanced far better than I had anticipated. So, there's the cute little kitty cat, or the perkatil, or whatever you want to call it. This would be a good time to clean all this junk out of here too. It's a little dirty. Get that scraped out, cleaned up. Oops, sorry, I'm swinging you around kind of rapidly, but basically this is our hydrostat drive, which I don't believe is supposed to be loose like that, being that's a split housing. The splines on the hydro appear to be decent. These are well worn. We'll have to get that corrected also. But yeah, that's nice and balanced on the engine mounts down there. That worked out really well. I'm quite pleased. So we'll get the flywheel housing removed and get it hung on the stand and start tearing a few things down and figure out what we need to do. Get this up and running. So thank you for watching. And have a good day.